In Napoli, where love is king.
Welcome to Napoli. It's not even 9 AM and it's really warm. So we're going to ramble around and see the city. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie.
How was that, Matt?
The song is about Napoli.
Do you want to go and have a look?
The Piazza del Plebiscito is covered in chairs for a gig. I could be wrong, but I think their football team won the league. Oh, I'm going to die. This is the Naples Underground tour. It's a bit damp.
Don't jump, eh? Huh? Don't jump.
We've been going down for quite a while now. I just have a fear I'm going to have to come back up these steps.
And the rate of humidity actually is very, very high, around 90 up to 92%. I don't know if you guys have the chance to do this together. High not here 80.
Oh, this is very tight. Oh my god. This is a very tight tunnel. The runners are going to get around. Oh, there's that man. Hello.
As you probably guys know, two soldiers to check.
It's like an episode of Most Haunted.
Only 7 toilets. Keep in mind that in this underground we're living roughly 4,000, 5,000 people. Which were basically a couple of Neapolitan citizens who got married in this cave. You see, 1943.
Walk all the way up there. It's a lot of steps. They must have buttocks of steel. Oh. It's very busy in Naples today. Dennis, let's try this again, right? When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. It's more I have no idea what this is, but it looks nice. The lads on the bikes there now. He's caught now. Oh. Pedestrian crossings here are optional, I think. You're taking your life into your hands trying to cross the road. So that was Napoli. I really enjoyed that underground tour. It was really interesting. It was a nice city to walk around. We didn't have a lot of time, but yeah, I'd like to probably see more of it.